Welcome back to the world of tomorrow, where technology stands paramount. Get ready to be mesmerized as we reveal the newest technology, gadgets, and devices. This is your entrance to a world of innovation and limitless possibilities, from mind-blowing smartphones to futuristic smart homes. We got it all covered. Sit back and relax and keep watching. Introducing the Hover Camera X1, a drone like no other. This remarkable device utilizes cutting-edge technology to elevate your aerial photography and videography. Equipped with advanced VO-visual inertial odometry technology and a TOF laser altitude determination system, the Hover Camera X1 offers unparalleled precision and control. With VIO technology, it precisely locates itself using the surroundings, enabling centimeter-precise flying without the need for compass calibration. Say hello to effortless, precise flight for capturing stunning aerial shots and breathtaking footage. Check out the link now to get it on $329. The revolutionary Huski wine cooler, the next generation ice bucket that takes wine chilling to a new level. With its innovative design, this remarkable cooler keeps your wine chilled for up to 6 hours, ensuring each sip is enjoyed at the perfect temperature. Whether you're at home, on a boat, or anywhere in between, the Huski wine cooler is your trusty companion. Simply place your favorite bottle of wine inside and let the cooler work its magic, eliminating the need for ice. This cooler costs you $69. Bosch Fresh Up is a revolutionary way to eliminate unwanted smells from your clothing without the use of additional chemicals. The way you handle offensive odors is revolutionized by this inventive, portable technology. No matter where you are, Fresh Up works its magic by effortlessly eliminating odor molecules on your textiles. Just slide it inside your handbag or backpack. But Fresh Up goes above and above, getting rid of bacteria and viruses as well, providing you an extra layer of cleanliness and assurance. The cost of this product is £199. Nyuair hand dryer, a compact, affordable and hygienic alternative to traditional drying methods. Dries hands in 13 seconds with motion detectors for automatic activation. Integrated UVC lab eliminates germs and viruses, while the washable filter captures dust. Mount it on the wall or place it on your kitchen counter. Upgrade to the Nyuair hand dryer for quick, clean and eco-friendly hand drying. Say goodbye to traditional methods and embrace this compact solution for convenience and hygiene. Pre-order from link below, starting from $109. Let's take a look at a versatile fidget toy designed to relieve stress and provide endless enjoyment. With 7 interchangeable front panels, you can customize the device to suit your preferences. Use it as a traditional spinner for a calming sensation, or enjoy the satisfaction of clicking its buttons. It also features a challenging labyrinth puzzle to test your problem-solving skills. Game night, it doubles as dice for your board game adventures. Need a ruler? It has an integrated circle ruler. This remarkable fidget toy offers multiple functions to keep you entertained and engaged. Embrace the possibilities and discover its many facets. Get this fidget toy for $40. This cutting-edge cage, which is modeled after professional camera cages, will take your phone filmmaking to new heights. It has 20 mounts that are thoughtfully positioned all over the body, providing a wide range of mounting choices. A microphone, additional lights and other accessories can be added to create the rig of your dreams. Additionally, the cage offers seamless compatibility with lenses from any manufacturer, which greatly simplifies things. Also, while the cage is attached, you can easily charge your phone, guaranteeing uninterrupted recording sessions. Get this cage starting from $139. Check out the awesome Tactica M100 multi-tool. It's like your best buddy, always ready to tag along on any adventure or help you out with everyday stuff. This baby may be small, but it packs a serious punch. With a whopping 17 essential tools cleverly packed into one slick design, it's the Swiss Army knife's cool cousin. Need to crack open a cold one? Got a loose screw that needs tightening? Consider it done. This multi-tool is a real game changer, making life easier and more convenient in so many ways. Get it now at $39 from link below. Introducing the BioLite Firepit Plus, the ultimate outdoor companion that elevates your campfire experience. This innovative fire pit combines traditional warmth and ambience with advanced technology for a smokeless and effortless time. With adjustable flames and a powerful fan system, enjoy controlled fire intensity and a clear atmosphere without the hassle of smoke. Upgrade your campfire and say goodbye to smoky clothes and stinging eyes. Get this outdoor companion now for $224. Introducing the Blank Forces EDC Pocket Tanto, designed for everyday tasks. This knife is packed with useful features, including an integrated keyring slot and a low-profile clip option. Its precise tip, beveled edge, and thin blade profile make it incredibly versatile. Crafted with premium materials like Grade 5 titanium and Bowler M390 Super Steel, this knife is built to withstand the test of time. Get your hands on this durable and reliable knife for just $189. DJI mic. Use the DJI mic to put an end to audio recording difficulties. Even in noisy surroundings, our wireless microphone system guarantees crystal clear audio. It's ideal for video producers, vloggers, and anyone looking for high-quality audio because it has a range of up to 800 feet and dual-channel recording. Its compact and stylish design makes it simple to wear, and the charging case that comes with it offers convenience and storage. The DJI mic will enhance your audio recording experience. This gadget costs you around $300. Check it out. That's all, folks. Thanks for hanging out until the end. Comment below which gadget you want the most. See you in the next one.